Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can utilize Bart AI to cook a dinner for your friends or for a particular party. It's amazing that this is something very useful and no one talks about it. Okay, let me show you. Give me a dinner recipe for salmon with potatoes and garden salad and white wine for 4 person. Let's see. Because if you're preparing something for your friends, you want to make sure you have the right amount of ingredients, right setup, timing, preparation. Everything has to be arranged. So this is a delicious and easy dinner recipe for salmon with potatoes and garden salad. Okay, ingredients. Have a 4 salmon fillets. Okay, tablespoon olive. Okay, salt, black pepper, garlic. So this is just the ingredients. Okay, guys. And everything is broken down by the salad, by the potatoes, by the salmon. Then instructions with small images. I love it. So preheat the oven 400 Fahrenheit. Prepare the salmon in the bowl. Prepare the potatoes. Bake the salmon. You also got these small images that are coming from, I presume, like a blog post or something, right? That's cool, guys. Okay, tips. You can use any type of white wine you like, such as Pinot Gregorio, Sauvignon Blanc, or Chardonnay. I think this is very useful. I think a lot of people will come back to this video next time when they have a guest at their home. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.